Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
Hi guys, everyone. For those who were asking for a Persian recipe, I'll do one of my most favorite recipes today. That is Persian kebab with rice. If you've never tried Persian food, start with this one. Beef, black pepper, garlic, onions, parsley, salt, tomatoes, butter, and rice.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we're falling now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time.
For cooking the rice perfectly, the amount of added water must be this much.
I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.